Hello folks, today is July 9th, 2026. I'm here at the Rock County Farm in southern Wisconsin. This past week here, Convintro Herbicide received federal label. With that, we're getting a lot of questions about Convintro. So I thought I would use these demonstration plots that we have here in front of us to talk a little bit more about this herbicide. So Convintro, the active ingredient is diflufenican, is a new herbicide into the corn soybean market here in the US for us. Okay, it's not technically a new herbicide. It has been used in other countries for other purposes, but now is the first time we're going to be using this herbicide in corn and soybean. One thing that's exciting about this herbicide is that it belongs to a mode of action that we're not using in our current weed management program. So diflufenican is a group 12 herbicide, and we don't use group 12 herbicides in corn soybean weed management. So that's one exciting part of it. The other thing that's exciting about diflufenican is its weed spectrum. Okay, so diflufenican is a herbicide that we're going to be recommending for pigweed control, for water hemp, for Palmer amaranth. Okay, it's not a very good herbicide for other species, but it happens to be a really good option for water hemp and Palmer. Okay, and these are weed species that are giving us a hard time across the landscape. So now I just want to walk you through our demonstrations here. So this first plot that you're seeing right in front of you, okay, and this is an area with heavy water hemp infestation. As you can see, we also have some other species, Jimson weed, some velvet leaf, giant ragweed, and some grasses, but water hemp is the predominant. And this plot that I'm showcasing here was actually sprayed pre-emergence to the weeds here with Warrant at 64 fluid ounces per acre. The next plot I'm walking into right now was actually treated with metribuzin. Okay, so this particular plot that you're seeing right now was treated with liquid metribuzin, so Mahler at 8 fluid ounces per acre. Now I'm going to take you to Convintro. Okay, so this plot here was sprayed with Convintro. Again, the active ingredients diflufenican, group 12 herbicide. This plot was treated with 4.1 fluid ounces of Convintro. And you do see some weeds here, as I said. The focus of Convintro is around the pigweed. So you see giant ragweed, you see grasses, you see the Jimson weed breaking through, but you can really tell from the other plots that the Convintro did a really good job filtering out the water hemp here. All right? But the one thing I want to point out is not perfect, right? You're still seeing some of there, and that's kind of the message. We have this new chemistry, but we don't want to be using it alone. The message that we have here is let's use multiple modes of action together, and that's what we did in this final plot that I have here. So this is a plot where we mixed Warrant, Mahler, and Convintro. So we had a group 15 herbicide, Warrant, acetochlor. We had a group 5 herbicide, metribuzin, and then we had the group 12 herbicide, diflufenican or Convintro here. So all three together. Okay, and that's the message here. We have this new chemistry coming our way. It's going to help us in the battle against the pigweeds. For us here in the Midwest, obviously water hemp. Okay, but we need to be good stewards of this chemistry. So I hope this video is helpful. Cheers.